Good morning panelist, we are about to begin our presentation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Chapter 1. Project Context. A permit is an official document authorizing a person or a group to do something. This is granted upon evaluating proposal through various conditions. In the field of engineering, a permit issued by an authority follows national building codes, rules and regulation. History of Marilao. Municipality of Marilao that was built by Franciscans in the year 1758. Due to rapid progress in economic advancement and high growth of population, large barrios separate from its mother town and become duly constituted municipalities on April 21, 1796. Philippines has brought benefits to Marilao with the use of modern telegraph communication system. The municipality of Marilao takes an important note on March 24, 1889, by being patriot of Marilanos that refused and turned the enemies of the Japanese administration under General MacArthur's term. Business process. Municipal Engineering Office of Marilao is facilitated by the building official. The department have 6 major personnel. First is the municipal engineer, is the officer in charge for checking the completeness of requirements, conducting an initial interview, issuing order of payment and the approval of permits. Second, the assistant municipal engineer is the officer who is also in charge of checking the completeness of requirement and conducting an initial interview. Followed by the electrical inspector 1 and electrical inspector 2, are the officers who are checking the plans and specification of a building, if the in-charge electrician follows plans and specification for the applied electrical permit. Last are the 2 administrative aide who is in charge in checking the application form, requirements and keeps the record of the client. In applying for permits, the client must get the application form to the Municipal Engineering Office or it can be downloaded to official website of Municipality of Marilao. Next, is the requirements that needs to comply for the permit. 2 copies of Transfer Certificate of Title, TCT. 2 copies of Tax Declaration. 5 sets of plans signed and sealed by duly licensed sanitary engineer. Master plumber in case of sanitary, plumbing plans. 5 sets of specifications signed and sealed by the architect or civil engineer. Fire station for approval of plan. 5 sets of bill of materials signed and sealed by the architect or civil engineer. Zoning permit that be secured from the Municipal Planning and Development Office. Brand gate clearance and copy of PRC/I.DPTR 2015. Each set of copies shall be distributed to client, assessor, National Statistics Office, building official and fire department. The form that has been filled up should completely accomplish together with the requirements that must be submitted to receiving area and will be verified by the administrative aide. Next, the client will proceed to the municipal engineer for the initial interview and order of payment that will be issued by the municipal engineer or assistant engineer and serve as their assessment fee. After that, the client will proceed to the treasurer's office to settle the amount of payment. The permit will be claimed to administrative aid within 15 days of process from the date of application is applied. Afterwards, the client will be given a certificate of electrical and final inspection. The Department of Engineering Office uses folder that contains permits and requirements of the client that store in the cabinets arranging alphabetically and the year that it was issued in Microsoft Excel and storing reports. One problem of the engineering office is not having a consolidated system for storing records. The proponents was decided to develop an information system with online registration with inquiry for Engineering Office of Marilao that will help them to manage accurate and reliable records and reports.
Created using Powtoon.